When you are evaluating a reliable garage door repair company, you may find it difficult to assess all of them. They may all have the capacity to do garage door installations and repairs, and you will see some which will have very inexpensive prices. Based upon where you stand located, you might have multiple companies, which offers comparable services. If you would like deal with the most effective company, however, then you really should consider dealing with my company that provides the best services in this community. This is the reason you can rely on the pros at Claster Velocity Garage Door Installation Lodi NJ in order to get the very best garage door repair and installation services.